Hello dear friends, how are you? Friends, in this video we will talk about client-server network architectures and its types. So let's see and watch the videos. Server is a powerful computer that provides centralized administration of the network and survive up to the resources that are available in the network, such as printers and files. Client in the other hand, is a network device that participates in a client-server relationship by requesting a services from a server. It may be computer that allow a user to use in the network and take advantage of its resources available on its networks. The client-server architecture is particularly recognized from the client network require a high degree of reliability. The term client-server refers to the concept of sharing network involved in the processing data between the client computing and the server computers. The client begins the exchange by requesting data from the server. The server responds by sending one or more stream of data to the clients. It is may also require to control such as a user authentication and the identification of a data file to be transferred. One example of client-server network is a corporate environment where employees use a company email server to send, receive, and store email. The email client in the employee's computer issue a request to the email server for any unread mails. The server responds by sending a requested email to the client. Data transfer for a client to the server to repair to is in upload and data for the server to a client and it is also downloads. Advantages of a client server network: centralized resources. Service is the central of the network and it can be managed resources that is commonly used to the users. Improved security. Server provide better security to the network user. Scalable network it possible to remove or add client without affecting the operation of the network and without the need for the major changes. Flexibility. New technology can be easily integrated into the systems. Interoperability. All component client network server work together. Disadvantages of a client network server. Expensive. Requires high initial investment and dedicated servers. Maintenance. Large network will require a staff to ensure efficient operation and maintenance. Dependence. When server goes down, operation will cause across all the networks. Most LAN consist of the many clients and a few servers, while one server always controls the user logins. Other server can be specialized in providing certain types of resources. The computer peer example of computer are equally privileged nodes in the network. Peer-to-peer network allow user to share resources and files located in the computer to the access shared resources found in the other computer. In a peer-to-peer network, all computer components have equal status and therefore it's available on the network. Peer-to-peer networks are designed primarily of systems that can be medium local area networks. Nearly all modern desktop operating systems such as OS, Linux, and Windows can support peer-to-peer networks. A peer computer basically acts as both a client and a server computer. The only requirement for a building a peer-to-peer network including installing and operating systems on the PCs that support peer-to-peer network and the physically connecting the PCs through the same mediums.